So what's up everyone, Mike Nerd here, and today we need to talk. We need to talk about AI and the how it's called, the framework. Let me search. The foundation model framework. So we need to talk about that. So many people thinks it's a chatbot, but it's not a chatbot at all. So I made a chatbot app like with this model, and sorry because it's French, but he will talk in English. But here is the chatbot app. So I just want to clarify today with you that the Apple Foundation model framework is not made for a chatbot. It's made for edit text, like make it professional or summarize or things like that. It's not made for a chatbot. So I know a question. So like one um um how to buy an iPhone. Let's try that. Okay, now he speaking French. Um, talk in English. Let's say that. Um, so yeah, it can help a bit like a chatbot. But let's say once. Okay, it's not bad. I know like sometimes he can freeze. Maybe let me search. How? Yeah, I think I have it somewhere. I have a way to freeze it. Just need. Okay, so let's start a new chat. Hey, and this is a question in French. So it means, do you know the Canon EOS R50? So it's a camera. Interesting because it freeze. Maybe if I don't type this in like the way. Maybe this way. Yeah, so it's not that bad today, but sometimes it can freeze. So let's try, for example, a bad one. US. Um, no, it doesn't work. So I will just hide it. So so sometimes it can like bug, but like I don't know today, but I don't know if it's fixed or I don't know because like I'm trying to make it bug. But let's try summarize the text. Summarize. Or make this text pro. Hello, how are you? Hello, so wow. You see, it doesn't work well. Hello, I'm doing well. Um, can you improve my text. Hello, Tim Cook here. I love Apple. Let's try that. Oops, sorry. In English, please. Hello, I am Tim Cook and I love Apple. So yeah, it works fine. I think when when it's related to text, but like, what's the latest iPhone? So, and what's new with it? So you see, it says like new feature like promotion display. So you see, it's not made like for a chatbot. It's more other chatbots are like better at this. So it's not made for a chatbot. But I don't know. I'm trying to make it free, but I can't. Weird. Um, where I can buy or reset my iPhone. Sorry. How how to reset my iPhone? Let's try. So yeah, you see, it can help this too. Yeah, I think it knows because with Siri, it gives like the instructions very well. So I think it's improved to help like Apple with Apple products and tech. So that's the thing that it's good at. Mm, uh, if I say what's so for a picture, let's try just some random questions. Talk in English. Hello. Yeah, so not that bad finally, but I know that sometimes it's like really bad. I don't know. I've tried with like the with shortcuts. Maybe it's better now. I don't know. I know that like Apple Intelligence can be updated like even like if you don't update your iPad. So, for example, like it can be updated anytime. I remember like after an update, like no one had Apple Intelligence and like no one could update it. So yeah, it can or it can be updated uh anytime. So maybe it's better now. I don't know. Um, honestly, I don't know. Maybe I check storage. Interesting. Hmm. But like um, like you can see also, Apple said that this model like was more to like if you check the videos, it's not really used as a chatbot. So that's a point, but it's really interesting here. Finally, it's really interesting fact. What else could I ask? What if I jump over the window? That's right, just a joke. Okay, so yeah, that's a mistake. So it's like it says a mistake detected considered like to be unsafe. So yeah, that's a thing that won't happen with ChatGPT or other AIs, even if it's local. So it's a thing that if you ask something wrong, it will make an error, and then I don't know. And the thing is that sometimes um I don't. Okay, so it doesn't work, but sometimes like you ask a question, then it says go see apple.com, and then you ask another thing, is like it's bug freeze. But yeah, I don't have it now, but yeah, so that's a problem. I don't know why maybe Apple is scared for their AI to say something bad, and like they detect it and don't want to respond, but like every other AI will say like don't do that or things like that, but Apple Intelligence is special. It won't reply at all. But like I don't know why they do that, but um what else could we try? uh, uh mhm. Talk in English, then wants a Samsung. Okay, you see, talk in English, he doesn't talk, so talk in English. Let's say one. Okay, so you see, now it's an example. So I said talk in English. Okay, so it can memorize like context. What did I send? Okay, not that bad. Mm, maybe if I try Apple or oh yeah, I remember like if sometimes like the context is good, but like he he doesn't know. He thinks he's bad. So now he's talking me about a bank when I just sent an Apple logo. That's crazy. Apple.com. Let's try. Okay, he detects a website. Anyways, interesting fact here about this. So today I couldn't reproduce this bug. Maybe it's fixed by Apple. But anyways, this I've made this like cool app project. I can make it now. It's in French, but I can make it in English. But well, no, I think it's like it depends on the device. But if you want like the app, like maybe I could consider to publish it. So it has like conversation history, save it on the device. No, that's a bug. Um, let's try. Let's try this. Sorry. Um, now it's fine. So I have multiple terms like those. So cool app. Um, so maybe I could publish it. I don't know. The thing is that there's already apps like this, but so I don't know. But it's cool though. Like the design is cool. I think. So interesting fact about Apple Intelligence. So when I started this live, I thought that it cannot be like a chatbot because I tried sometimes. Maybe now it's fixed. I don't know. But interesting. So, you can try by yourself in Shortcuts or another app like a third-party app on the App Store. So you can try this and see if the model is good or not, and give me your thoughts about the chatbot. Uh, so do you think like it's good as a chatbot or just good like at summarize text, give help for Apple products? So every AI is made like for a thing like Cloud AI is more like code, so it's really good at code, but less it's worse at other things. ChatGPT, Gemini, those are like more like general, so good at everything. But some AI are specialized, so that's a thing. But yeah, I give me your thoughts and please subscribe and see you in the next video.